Hello guys, this is the second web programming project of our web programming sessions, which is a chat application. And for this chat application, the concept is like this. I have three pages: index PHP, sign in PHP, and sign up PHP. As a public web user, I'm going to the index PHP and I was redirected to the sign in PHP. And why is it? I have used sessions in these pages, and sessions are used to filter who can go through my index PHP. As a public web user, when I come across this index PHP link, I can't go to the index PHP as I am still not signed in as a user. So I was redirected to the sign in PHP with the help of the session. Let's check the designs of our page. I have made all these pages to be responsive, and I have used some media queries to get some small components in place. Being responsive means that you won't have to scroll through horizontally in a screen when you use a small device. Here you can see, even though I keep reducing the screen width, my design is still intact. The smallest device the browser gave us to check is iPhone 5, and here you can see the design is still intact. So first, we will move on to the sign up page. When submitting a form to the server, there are two times to do it. One is form and one is AJAX. In here, I have used form concept to get my form submitted to the server. I have used some basic form validations with the help of the required attribute. As you can see, like this. Let's first check the code. Here you can see I have given the session, and this is my code. For all of these required fields, you can see I have a required attribute in there. I got my country list from the database. I have given a specific pattern for the passwords, and here you can see some small chase functions I have given, like this. Now let's go to fill the form. Here, as per you can see, still the design is intact. And I'll fill this. I have given the freedom to the user to choose the country or not to choose it. Mobile field is required, and I'm adding this with the country code. Here you can see when I key in the field, the small chase function is working. and the form is validating this password field to match the requested format. So I'm going to match it. I have given a small chase function to check whether my password and confirm password is correct. And you can see it with an alert as well, just in case the user doesn't see this chase function line. So I'm going to match this password, and here you can see it matches. The checkbox is needed to be checked, and there you go. With the help of font face, I have obtained these various type of text styles, and let's see the codings first. I have used these style sheets to get this design, and these are my media queries. Here you can see the font phrases I have given to connect the various styles of fonts. And let's move on to the signing PHP. As per you can see, I have given the session here as well. And this is my sign PHP. For this signing PHP, I have used AJAX system to validate the form and connect it with the server. Like this. The small function from JS is still working in this as well. You will see it when we fill the form. And this is the AJAX code. If the response from the sign-in process PHP is success, I will be directed to the index PHP, which means I'm signed in. And this is the sign-in process PHP. Here you can see I have validated. Let's go to fill our form. Here you can see the first ad comes out to fill the form. I'm going to fill it like this. And yes, I was asked to fill the password. Here you can see that chase function. And I have added this field to be contained at least 8 characters. So I'm adding, and here you can see the password is not in the required pattern. And here I'm purposely giving a wrong password just to check whether the connection to my password fields in the database is correct or not. Here you can see I was asked to sign in again. I can choose to give a wrong mobile number as well. And here you can see it's still coming as please sign in again. So this time I'm giving the correct information. And let's sign in. Yes, I was redirected to the index PHP. And this is the design of my index PHP. and let's check it out. Here you can see my index PHP is responsive. It's even responsive to the smallest device the browser gives us. So the first element I'm going to talk is this name and the mobile number. With the help of the session, I have printed the session content to this fields and showed it here. Here you can search for a receiver for your message, and I have used some autocomplete JavaScript for this. I can choose to find some letter, and here you can see the users from you are here. Let's see the code. So in the index PHP, this is my code, and I have given the session. Here you can see how I gave the person's name who signed in. And this is the autocomplete input field, and let's move on to the autocomplete JavaScript file, and it's like this. I have used AJAX for this function and the search PHP for this. I choose to make the response text in the JSON format and connected it here to shown in the input field. And now we are coming across the select tab. I have chosen to connect it with my database to get a name. Like this. I have validated this form with AJAX. Here you can see if I didn't select a receiver, an alert pops up. So I'm going to select a receiver. And still, I haven't added my message, so a pop-up comes out. And I'll add my message. So and here you can see the message comes in. Chats from this user will be displayed in here in real time as well. Here you can check it like this. How are you? And yes, that's it. So let's check the code. This is the index PHP. And this is the save chat PHP I have used to show the messages inside that box. Index.js file which contains the AJAX functions I have written. And with the help of this, AJAX function, I have called the messages in real time to that box. For the format I have showed in the box, it is connected with this process PHP, or you can directly give it in the box as well. And let's move on to the page again. Here I can choose to sign out, and I will be redirected to the sign in PHP. For that option, I have used the remove PHP file, which destroys the sessions I have made in that website or the application. This is the JS code I have given to move on to some pages. Now let's check out how it would work when two people are chatting with each other. So as you can see, I have opened two browsers and I'm choosing to sign up again. So I have Uvinda in this side and Irosha in this side. So I'm going to search my receiver. There she is. I received the message and I'm searching for So just like that, we can have two people chat with each other. And if you want the sender's name with the message, you can just write a little code for this coding and have it here, like the date and time. So that's all for the chat app. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.